Hello dear students, today we are going to start third part of the tsunami. Yesterday we have completed second part and the previous day we have completed first part. So let's start the third part. Look carefully at the picture of the boy and his dog and try to describe the things that you see using just words and phrases. So look at the picture. We see in this picture that there is a boy sitting under a log of wood or a destructed piece of house, and some bamboo sticks were standing in front of him, and everywhere we can see water. So either the teacher or one of the student can write down the words and phrases on the blackboard. This is how you can start. Calm. Calm means peace, shanti. Blue sea. We can see sea in front of him. Ruined hearts. Ruined means devastated, destroyed, बर्बाद हो चुकी. Before the giant waves slammed into the coast in India and Sri Lanka, wild and domestic animals seemed to know what was to happen. जैसे ही जाइंट वेव आने से पहले श्रीलंका और इंडिया के किनारों पर एनिमल्स को पता चल गया था कि कुछ होने वाला था. दे फ्लड. फ्लड मीन्स रन अवे. दे फ्लड टू सेफ्टी. तो वो वहाँ से भाग गए सेफ प्लेसेस पर. According to eyewitness accounts means the person who are witnessing the spot. लोगों ने जिन्होंने अपनी आँखों से देखा. Elephant screamed. Scream means shouting, चिल्लाना. Ran for higher ground. Higher ground means the place which is high than the beach. Dogs refused to go outdoors. Dog owners wanted to take the dogs outside the home. Flamingos abandoned their low-lying breeding areas. Flamingo is a bird. Abandon means leave. Left means छोड़ देते हैं. जहाँ पर वो ब्रीड करते थे, जहाँ पर अपने बच्चे पैदा करते थे, उन प्लेसेस को छोड़कर अपर प्लेसेस में चले जाते हैं. एंड जू एनिमल्स रस्ड इनटू देयर शेल्टर्स. इनटू देयर शेल्टर. शेल्टर होता है लाइक हाउस. अपने घरों के अंदर, जहाँ जो जिन पिंजरों में उनको बंद कर रखा था, उनके अंदर वो रश मीन्स इधर उधर भागना शुरू कर देते हैं. एंड कुड नॉट बी अननोटिस्ड टू कम आउट. और बाहर आना नहीं चाहते थे. When do you think this picture was taken? क्या सोचते हैं आप, ये पिक्चर कब गई होगी? कब ली गई होगी? After the big waves struck into the cities. Did you know that very few animals actually died in the tsunami? क्या आपको पता था कि सुनामी में बहुत कम एनिमल्स मारे गए थे? क्यों? क्योंकि they have a sense, they have sixth sense to recognize whether something is going wrong. Many people believe that animal possess a sixth sense. Believe, बहुत सारे लोग यकीन करते हैं कि एनिमल्स की सिक्स सेंस होती है. एंड नो when the earth is going to shake. और वो जानते हैं कि धरती कब हिलने वाली है. Some experts believe that animals' more acute hearing helps them to hear or feel the earth's vibrations. कुछ experts का ये मानना है कि जो animals की hearing power होती है, उनसे उनको help मिलती है अर्थ की vibration को feel करने में. They can sense an approaching disaster. Disaster means विनाशकारी घटना. वो सेंस कर सकते हैं, वो इस बात को समझ सकते हैं कि कोई दुर्घटना घटने वाली है. अप्रोचिंग मीन्स आने वाली. लॉन्ग बिफोर ह्यूमन रियलाइज व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन. जब तक ह्यूमन को, मानव को पता चलता है कि कुछ गलत होने वाला है, उससे पहले ही जो एनिमल्स को पता चल जाता है. वी कैन नॉट बी श्योर वेदर एनिमल्स हैव सिक्स सेंस और नॉट. हम श्योर नहीं हैं कि एनिमल्स के पास सिक्स सेंस होती है या नहीं होती, बट द फैक्ट इज़ दैट, लेकिन सच्चाई ये है दैट द जाइंट वेव दैट रोल्ड थ्रू द इंडियन ओशन killed more than 1,50,000 people in a dozen countries. यानी कि जो बड़ी बड़ी वेव्स रोल होकर आई थी, गोल गोल घूम कर आ रही थी, उन्होंने 1.5 लाख से ज़्यादा लोगों को मारा था. लेकिन बट नॉट मैनी एनिमल्स हैव बीन रिपोर्टेड डेड. लेकिन ज़्यादा एनिमल्स की डेड बॉडीज़ नहीं मिली थी. अलोंग इंडियाज़ कोडालूर कोस्ट, ये समुद्र के किनारे वाली जगह का नाम है. वेयर थाउजेंड्स ऑफ पीपल पेरिश्ड, जहाँ पर बहुत सारे लोग ख़त्म हो गए थे. बफलोज, गोट्स, डॉग्स वर फाउंड अनहार्म्ड. जबकि जो थी बफलोज थी, गोट्स थी, डॉग्स थे, उनको ज़्यादा नुकसान नहीं हुआ था. The Yala National Park in Sri Lanka is home to a variety of animals including elephants, leopards and 130 species of birds. इतनी तरह के एनिमल्स और बर्ड्स श्रीलंका के याला नेशनल पार्क में रहते हैं. 60 visitors were washed away from the Patnangla beach inside the park. पार्क के अंदर जो पटनांगला बीच है उससे 60 लोग बह गए थे. बट नो एनिमल carcasses वर फाउंड. carcasses डेड बॉडीज़, लेकिन कोई भी एनिमल की डेड बॉडी नहीं मिली एक्सेप्ट फॉर 2 वाटर buffaloes. About an hour before the tsunami hit, people at Yala National Park had observed 3 elephants running away from the Patnangla beach. यानी कि 1 घंटा पहले पटनांगला बीच पर याला नेशनल पार्क में 3 एलिफेंट्स को पटनांगला बीच से दूर भागते हुए नोटिस किया गया था. A Sri Lankan gentleman who lives on the coast near Gele said his 2 dogs would not go for their daily run on the beach. एक जेंटलमैन जो कि श्रीलंका के हैं, वो नदी किनारे के पास रहते हैं और उनके जो 2 डॉग्स थे उन्होंने घर से बाहर जाने से मना कर दिया था. दे वर यूजली एक्साइटेड टू गो ऑन आउटिंग्स. लेकिन जर्नली क्या होता था कि वो बाहर जाने के लिए उतावले रहते थे. ही सेड बट ऑन दैट डे दे रिफ्यूज टू गो. वो कहते हैं कि उस दिन उन्होंने जाने से मना कर दिया. एंड मोस्ट प्रोबेबली सेव्ड हिज लाइफ, और उसकी भी जान बचाई. comprehension check. आंसर यूजिंग अ फ्रेज और अ सेंटेंस. इट मीन्स आपको एक फ्रेज में या सेंटेंस में आंसर देना है. फ्रेज मीन्स नॉट मोर देन 3 or 4 वर्ड्स. इन द सुनामी 1,50,000 people died. How many animals died? Not so many. Answer will be not so many animals died in the tsunami. How many people and animal died in Yala National Park? 60 people and only 2 water buffaloes were found dead in Yala National Park. What do people say about the elephants of Yala National Park? People say that they saw 3 elephants running away from Patnangla beach 1 hour before the tsunami struck. What did the dog in Gale do? The dogs refused to go on their daily outings on Patnangla beach. In this way, they saved their owner's life. Now, working with the text, discuss the following questions in class and write your own answers. When he left felt earthquake, do you think Ignatius immediately worried about a tsunami? No, because he thought it's an earthquake, not tsunami. Give reason for your answer, and which sentence in the text tells you that Ignatius family do not have any time to discuss and plan their course of action after the tsunami struck. So what happened when they felt earthquake? They were sleeping. When they felt earthquake, they were sleeping, so they have no time to discuss about their plan, and two children hold the hand of grandfather and they ran away opposite side of the sea. In this way, they try to save their lives, but they never met again. Clear? They have no time to plan, and in this way, they tried to save their lives, but they did not meet again, because there were big waves, giant waves, and the giant waves washed away them. Clear? Second question, which words in the list below describe Sanjeev in your opinion? Look up at the dictionary for words you are not sure of. Cheerful, ambitious, brave, careless, heroic, selfless, heartless, humorous. So, Sanjeev was brave, heroic, and selfless. And we can use these words. I don't know if Sanjeev was cheerful, humorous, and ambitious. I think that he was very brave, heroic, and selfless. Sanjeev was not heartless, careless, or brash because he tried to save another's life. Third question, how are Meghna and Almas stories similar? Meghna and Almas both were swept away in the tsunami. They both floated in the sea before they were rescued. Meghna held on to a wooden door while Almas climbed on a log of wood. They both were deeply traumatized by the incident. Traumatized means shocked, surprised. Next question, what are the different ways in which Tilly's parents could have reacted to her behavior? What would you have done if you were in their place? Tilly's parents, answer will be, Tilly's parents could have turned a deaf ear to Tilly's warnings. Thinking her to be a kid, they could not have listened to her. Probably I would have done the same if I were in their place. But maybe it was the conviction with which Tilly warned everybody that they believed her. I too might have done the same. Next question, if Tilly's award was to be shared, what do you think she should share it with her parents or her geography teacher? If Tilly had to share her reward with someone, I think she should share it with her geography teacher. If her geography teacher wouldn't have explained the important geography lesson, Tilly, like many other people, would not have known what to do, and she would not have been able to save all those lives. Next question. What are the two different ideas about why so few animals were killed in tsunami? Which idea do you find more believable? The two ideas about why so few animals were killed in the tsunami are: animals possess a sixth sense and know when the earth is going to shake. एनिमल्स की सिक्स सेंस होती है और वो आइडिया लगा लेते हैं कि अर्थ कब हिलने वाली है. सेकेंड पॉइंट, some people believe that animals' more acute hearing helps them to hear or feel Earth's vibrations. This idea I feel is more believable. कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि उनके सुनने की पावर ज़्यादा तेज़ होती है और मैं इस पर ज़्यादा भरोसा करता हूँ. Thank you. In the next video we will discuss about working with language.